Did you know your grip strength offers a surprising peek into your overall health and can even predict your lifespan? It's true. Your grip strength is a powerful indicator of muscle mass, bone density, and general physical well-being. Research shows a strong correlation between a firm handshake and a longer, healthier life. This simple measurement can reveal crucial insights into your cardiovascular health, cognitive function, and risk of chronic diseases. It's not just about lifting weights, it's about foundational strength supporting your body's vital systems. So, how can you assess your grip strength, and what does it mean for your future health? Grip strength is the force you can generate with your hand and forearm muscles. It reflects your overall muscle mass, which naturally declines with age, a process known as sarcopenia. Beyond muscles, a strong grip often indicates better bone density, reducing fracture risk. It's a key biomarker for healthy aging, offering profound insight into your body's resilience. Numerous studies highlight the powerful link between grip strength and longevity. Stronger grips tend to lead to longer, healthier lives with fewer age-related complications. It's a reliable predictor of cardiovascular health, indicating your heart's efficiency. A robust grip is also associated with better cognitive function and a reduced risk of dementia. It correlates with a lower incidence of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes and certain cancers. The good news is assessing your grip strength is incredibly simple and can be done at home. A hand dynamometer, easily found online, measures the maximum force you can exert. For men, below 26 kilograms is weak. For women, it's below 16 kilograms. These benchmarks are a starting point, but tracking your progress consistently is key. Regularly testing and recording scores helps you monitor improvements and stay motivated. A strong grip translates into greater functional strength for everyday tasks, making life easier. It significantly reduces the risk of falls, especially as we age, by improving balance. A robust grip aids in faster recovery from injuries and illnesses, supporting healing. Maintaining good grip strength helps you retain independence and quality of life into your golden years. Ready to boost your grip and unlock a healthier future? Let's dive into some tips. Start with simple hand exercises like squeezing a stress ball for 30 seconds, repeating daily. Invest in a grip strengthener and use it regularly, gradually increasing resistance. Wrist curls using light dumbbells target forearm muscles directly, enhancing grip power. Incorporate dead hangs from a pull-up bar to build incredible grip endurance. Pull-ups and chin-ups are fantastic compound exercises that naturally strengthen your grip. Don't forget finger exercises. Squeezing a rubber band with your fingers can improve individual finger strength. For an advanced challenge, try farmer's walks, carrying heavy weights for distance. Fueling your body with the right nutrients is crucial for building and maintaining strength. Ensure your diet is rich in lean proteins like chicken, fish, and legumes for muscle support. Calcium and vitamin D are essential for strong bones, the foundation for powerful muscles. Don't underestimate hydration. Drinking plenty of water helps maintain muscle function. A balanced intake of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides essential energy and micronutrients. Consistency is more important than intensity. Small, regular efforts yield significant results. Beyond exercises, activities like gardening or rock climbing can naturally enhance your grip. Even everyday tasks approached mindfully can strengthen your hands and forearms. Lifestyle factors play a huge role in your overall strength and recovery. Managing stress through meditation or yoga can significantly impact your physical health. Prioritizing quality sleep is non-negotiable. It's when your muscles repair and grow. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night to optimize performance. A holistic approach to health, combining activity, nutrition, and well-being, is most effective. Your grip strength is a fantastic metric to monitor your health journey and motivate you. Regularly tracking your grip strength provides tangible evidence of progress, keeping you inspired. Set small, achievable goals, like increasing your grip strength by 1 kilogram each month. Improving your grip strength isn't just about numbers, it's about enhancing your quality of life. It's about enjoying activities, maintaining independence, and living each day to the fullest. By taking proactive steps now, you can reduce age-related decline and embrace a healthier future. Start today by being more mindful of your hand and forearm strength in daily activities. Every small step towards improving physical capabilities contributes to a larger picture of health. Embrace these tips and you'll strengthen your grip and empower your entire body for years to come. A strong grip indicates a strong life. Take charge of your health, one squeeze at a time.